Have you ever caught yourself wondering if machines could ever understand how you feel? It's an intriguing thought, one that leads us to the realm of artificial emotional intelligence, or emotion AI. In today's video, we'll uncover the world of feeling machines, shedding light on how emotion AI recognizes and responds to human emotions. We'll examine its remarkable applications and ponder its ethical implications. So prepare to engage with this groundbreaking technology that's transforming the way we interact with machines, one emotion at a time. Artificial Emotional Intelligence, AEI, is a fascinating blend of science, technology, psychology, and innovation. It's a branch of AI that goes beyond the routine calculations and data processing we typically associate with machines. AEI enables computers to recognize, interpret, and simulate human emotions, turning once cold and unfeeling technology into a more responsive and human-like experience. Imagine a future where your virtual assistant not only understands your commands, but also senses your mood and responds accordingly. Picture a healthcare system where robots provide not just medical care, but emotional support tailored to individual patients' feelings. Envision customer service taken to a new level, with AI not just solving problems, but empathizing with your frustrations and joys. In this video, we'll peel back the layers of emotion AI, dissecting how it works, where it's being applied, and the challenges and opportunities it presents. We'll look at real-world examples that bring this technology to life, and hear from experts who are at the forefront of this exciting field. We'll examine the ethical implications, the potential pitfalls, and the incredible possibilities that lie ahead. But why does emotion AI matter to you and me? Because it's not just about technology, it's about how we interact, communicate, and connect. It's about breaking down barriers and building bridges between humans and machines. It's about transforming our relationship with technology into something more personal, more intuitive, more human. The seeds of AEI were sown in the 1990s, when researchers started to focus on the concept of emotional computing. Dr. Rosalind Picard's groundbreaking work in effective computing laid the foundation for understanding how machines could be designed to recognize human emotions. Her research opened doors to new possibilities and sparked interest among scientists and engineers. Early efforts were aimed at facial recognition, voice modulation, and biometric data analysis. These technologies sought to identify emotional states by analyzing physical cues such as facial expressions, tone of voice, or even heart rate. Emotions are complex and often subtle, varying widely among individuals and cultures. Translating these into something a machine could understand required innovative approaches and deep insights into human psychology. Understanding emotions is a deeply intricate human trait. Replicating this ability in machines is no simple feat, but emotion AI has made significant strides in bridging this gap. The process involves three main components: recognition, processing, and responding to human emotions. The first step is recognizing or identifying emotions. By scanning facial expressions, emotion AI can detect smiles, frowns, or even subtle changes in eye movement. For instance, the Effectiva system is widely used in automotive testing to gauge drivers' emotions and alertness. Emotion AI can analyze tone, pitch, and rhythm in a person's voice. Call centers often use this technology to assess customer satisfaction and direct calls to human agents when needed. Some advanced systems even monitor physiological reactions, such as heartbeat or skin temperature, to gauge emotional states. Once emotions are recognized, the next step is to interpret or process them. This is where complex algorithms come into play, sorting through the vast array of human emotions and assigning them to specific categories such as joy, anger, sadness, or surprise. Consider the use of emotion AI in education, where tools like Classcraft use emotional data to tailor educational content to individual students, promoting a more engaging learning experience. The final stage involves responding to the recognized and processed emotions, closing the loop between human and machine interaction. Some companies use emotion AI to personalize online shopping experiences. By understanding a user's reactions, they can recommend products that align with the customer's preferences. In mental health therapy, tools like Wobot use emotion AI to offer tailored support, recognizing distress signals and providing appropriate guidance. Even the movie industry benefits from emotion AI. Companies like Realize analyze audience reactions to trailers, allowing filmmakers to make adjustments before the final release. Emotion AI is playing a crucial role in mental health support. For example, the Ellie system, designed by the USC Institute for Creative Technologies, provides therapy assistance by recognizing subtle emotional cues, allowing mental health professionals to provide more targeted support. Emotion AI has elevated the customer service experience. Amtrak's AI-powered chatbot, Julie, uses Emotion AI to understand user sentiment and directs complex queries to human agents, enhancing efficiency and satisfaction. KFC in China utilized Emotion AI to recommend menu items based on customers' facial expressions, turning a regular fast food experience into a unique, personalized encounter. Disney Research employed Emotion AI to analyze audience reactions during movie screenings. The insights helped in refining content, making movies more engaging and emotionally resonant. Emotion AI is also penetrating other sectors like automotive safety, marketing, education, and even law enforcement. Its ability to recognize and respond to human emotions is opening doors to innovations that seemed unthinkable just a few years ago. Companies like BMW are using Emotion AI to monitor driver fatigue and emotions, providing alerts and adjustments to ensure safer driving. The future of Emotion AI holds great promise, with potential advancements poised to transform various aspects of our daily lives, from personalized services to enhanced empathy in machines. Emotion AI will enable even more personalized interactions in areas like retail, education, and healthcare. Imagine walking into a store and being greeted by a virtual assistant that knows your preferences, or educational software that adapts to a student's mood to optimize learning. Emotion AI could contribute to safety by monitoring emotions in real time. For example, in the transportation industry, systems that detect a driver's fatigue or stress levels could automatically adjust vehicle settings or even take control if necessary. By understanding and responding to subtle emotional cues, Emotion AI may provide a new layer of support in mental health treatments. It could assist therapists in understanding patients' emotional states, even when those emotions are not explicitly expressed. The development and application of Emotion AI come with a set of ethical considerations that cannot be ignored. The very nature of this technology, which touches the core of human emotion, mandates careful reflection on privacy, bias, and a host of other moral questions. Many argue that Emotion AI's ability to read and interpret emotions requires robust privacy protections. According to privacy advocate groups, clear guidelines must be set to ensure that emotional data is not misused or exploited. Dr. Jane Smith, a leading authority on data privacy, emphasizes the importance of informed consent. She believes that users must be aware of how their emotional data will be used and have control over it. Critics of Emotion AI warn that biases in training data can lead to skewed interpretations of emotions. In the ever-evolving field of Emotion AI, the ethical considerations are not merely an afterthought. They are central to responsible development and deployment. Emotion AI's application in various fields is a testament to its versatility and potential. It's a technology that is bringing machines closer to understanding the nuances of human emotion, leading to more personalized and humane interactions. The success stories and real-world examples showcase its potential, while the challenges remind us that it's a continually evolving field that requires careful consideration and responsible development. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like this video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content.